Hi! In front of me is Redmi 12 and today I would like to show you how you can block app notifications. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll down to access Notifications and Control Center. Then tap on App Notifications and click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block them, like Teams. You can turn them back on the same way. If you want to, you can always just click on one of your apps located on the left and then manage all notifications from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!